This video will show you how to install and log in to Google Classroom on a cell phone. What I'm showing you here is the steps you would take on an Android device. However, this can be done on an iPhone. The buttons may just be in different places. On your cell phone, go to the Google Play Store or the App Store. In the search menu, type Google Classroom. Install the app, and once it loads, come here and press Open. Once the app opens, come up to the top and click on the three horizontal menu lines. Click Choose an Account. Come down and click Add another account. Then type in your student's login information with @cpslions.com at the end. Then you're going to click the blue Next. It will ask you for your login information again and your password. Once it loads, you will see the classes that the student is enrolled in. And that's it. Check out the other videos for more information and helpful tips.